Alright, should be recording. So we're gonna go for another ride down to the beach. Mainly to test the settings adjusted. I better make sure this thing's recording. Hang on a sec, guys. Alright, we're going. Alright. I'm going to see how the wind noise is. And we'll just run down here to the beach and make a short video. The last one I uploaded, when I joined the videos together, for some reason it spit it out at 2.7K. And I didn't know until after I uploaded it. I didn't feel like doing anything with it. But just to retest, so. So I'm gonna record again at 5.7 by 60 frames. Car coming. And we'll see how it does. We have this nice day today. We hit 61. It's 61 right now. It's not going to get any warmer. It's going on 2 p.m. So let's see what's going on here at the beach. Yeah, they made everybody move out of the front row, it looks like, for the winter. Waves come over this, big logs come over the road. Last time this road through here was closed for like a week for them to clean it up. It was a mess. And so the little seawall thing is new, but it still comes over. Go down here and we'll peek over here real quick. Car coming up behind me. Seems everybody likes this spot right here. Pretty nice day. This morning from the fifth wheel, I can see crab boats out here. And with their lights on. So they're easy to spot. So I do have an ocean view, but it's not the greatest. Yep, seagull on top of their car. So if you want to be a prankster when all the tourists are here, you drive down here with like a great big garbage bag full of popcorn, and you cut a hole in the bag, and you just drive through here and just let the popcorn all fall out. All the seagulls will come and jump around on top of their cars. It's kind of known if you want to feed the seagulls to go over to the kite field away from people. That looks like a pretty low tide today. So that's got to be another minus tide. I can tell by this buoy out up here. So I can tell by that buoy. It's definitely a minus tide. Not much going on here. That looks like a crab boat might be coming in. He's way out there. Probably won't show up in the GoPro. Out to that little structure, that's as far as the bike can go. But we'll head back down around this way. If I can't do something with this wind noise, there's a media mod I can get with an external mic that should solve all that. With the last video, the wind reduction mode, for some reason when I set up the profile for this, it was turned off. And it's supposed to be good for 20 miles an hour, so we'll see. There's a boat doing something there. A lot of these boats are combos like that guy. Trawler, crabber. A few people working around there on the boats. Busy time. Now this dock over here that I kind of just went by, when these commercial crabbers come in, they'll keep the wood-clawed crabs, so they'll keep like a 30-gallon barrel full of them, and then when they get by that dock there for all the people crabbing, they throw them out so you can catch them, because they can't sell a one-legged crab in the commercial market because nobody wants to buy it. It doesn't look right. Appearance, you know. It's not too bad out here today. I saw this earlier. guess they're just dredging here. You can see that big drain pipe over there the water's running out of. Yeah, a lot of sediment comes through there. And boats can't get in. But I don't remember exactly what they need this for. Oh, I guess their lift. That's right. This is where they take the boats out. Yeah, see, he's right in there between them. Rails where the tires on that boat lift go. This thing's been here a couple weeks now, I guess. But you could see it in some of my earlier videos. It was parked over here by the restaurant, but it wasn't all put together. So there's a houseboat right there. See it right there. There used to be a really nice one. I think it was right here. It was a really nice houseboat, and the guy lived on it. He had a cat. The cat would come up here. But I said before, they put a stop to rent the spaces to houseboats. So these people are grandfathered in. He must be like the last one. And they say they lose money on the slip, but I don't know. I'd rather have someone paying than the empty slips, but what do I know? Got some people sitting. These are the pipes they use for dredging, but anyways, didn't want to make a long video. We'll get out of here. Big hole. And if you all haven't noticed, there's a lighthouse right up there. So it's just right above me, or above the entrance to the park. Pretty good. How you doing, brother? It's not a working lighthouse, although it has the prisms and everything up there. But yeah, pretty cool. Hang out up there. I've seen people just hanging out up there in a chair. And here we are. These guys down over here on this side, they don't get any sunlight. We get plenty of sun. And here we are.